There's something I need to point out with the drink mate, and this may be also true with SodaStream and other brands, is that with use and moving around, the bottle in the back may actually start to unscrew itself. When it does, and you're trying to make soda, you're going to leak pressure here, which means that you're not getting the full pressure in your bottle where you want it. So just make sure that every once in a while you reach back here, tighten the bottle, finger tight, so that you're getting the full pressure in the front. This little problem may explain why some people are complaining that after a while their soda machine isn't giving them the amount of effervescence that they want, or carbonation. So just make sure that this remains tight. Every second use, just open it, just give it a little check and make sure that it's tight. Why did this have to be on when you're using it? Because when the gas comes out of the cylinder itself gets very cold, and you can actually freeze your skin on the cylinder. So be careful not to do that. You want to close it. So the first thing they suggest is that you wash everything with a bit of soap and water. Don't use anything that will scratch the surface, very important. So you just really need to put some soap and water, shake it up, rinse it out. Same with the lid. You can see how the lid goes on here. So this needs to be washed, and also they suggest that we wash the infuser. And for that you still 45 degrees and then pull it out. There's your infuser. As you can see, this makes it a little bit of a mess, so it's going to take a little extra cleanup afterward, but as you will see, it will be worth it. So during the making of the drink, you probably saw how this was all coated with chocolate, and this here, not really chocolate, but carob powder or carob chips. This all cleans up really, really easily. Just a bit of mild soap and water and properly rinsed. Same with this. And of course these bottles, you may be aware, they do come apart. It's just a slight turn. And you can also clean inside here if you want to. And of course the lid. So enjoy the drink. Don't have to worry too much about the cleanup afterward. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.